The DEC file type is usually a declaration file or text. If you open it and it looks like gibberish, it might be encoded or binary data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the file header to see what it really is. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult DEC files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. The DEC signature identifies it as a specialized type of data file. The fundamental schema is derived from the declaration file structure. The DEC file is a generic file extension sometimes used for DECml or DECompress files. In a common Windows context, it is usually an unknown or proprietary data file whose purpose is specific to the application that created it, and it often contains plain text or raw binary data. The design rules are proprietary and unknown. Its structure is non-standardized. When encountered, its integrity is low because it lacks defined metadata. Attempting to open it in Microsoft Notepad will often reveal either simple, unstructured text or garbled binary characters. The most trusted opener for the DEC file is consistently Microsoft Notepad from Microsoft Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows can show basic details, but full interpretation requires the software that uses the data. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the DEC file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Notepad first. If it's absent, select another program. This systematic test sequence is essential. If your DEC file is not opening yet, that is normal. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this DEC error to appear? First, use a text editor. Open the file using a simple text editor like Microsoft Notepad or Notepad++ to view the contents, as it is often a developer declaration file. Next, check for associated program. If the file contains non-text data, check if it is a Dolphin Easy Converter project and use that specific application to open it. Finally, check program version. If the correct program is installed, ensure you have the latest version to support the file, as it may have been created by a newer version than yours. If quick compatibility checks failed, we now know the file is non-standard. Deploying the ultimate fix is the most reliable attempt at opening stubborn DEC files. This DEC problem is solved with FileMagick. It's the recommended universal file opener. Buy it now at filemagick.com. Grab the FileMagick tool via the description link now. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.